I'm Susie Spindle, and today we're going to look at juggling balls. So, you don't have a set of juggling balls at home? Well, you can use anything you like around the house. So it just has to be about the right size to go on one hand, not too heavy, and not anything that's too precious or fragile. You can use socks as well. They don't look like juggling balls. So what we're going to do is grab any length sock that you have by the toe, roll it down to the open end, get the open end and wrap it around the lump that you just made. And you've got a set of juggling balls. I'm going to show you a standard juggling move called the Cascade. This is probably one of the most flexible moves that you can use for juggling, as you can throw a whole bunch of other tricks in with it once you get comfortable. We're going to start with one ball. So just grabbing one ball in your favorite hand, going up and down. Make sure that the ball is going straight up and down and you're not taking your hand up to catch like that. The ball is supposed to come to your hand and you want your elbows bent, so arms fairly relaxed and hands pretty much open and straight out in front. Ball goes just around forehead or head height. Okay, let's try the other hand. Great. Now we're going to try throwing from one side to the other. So let's start with just throwing this ball to that hand and back. So in a rainbow shape. So see, my hands are staying around the same height. I'm not reaching up to catch the ball like that. I'm waiting for the ball to come to the hand. Let's try two balls. One ball in each hand. We're going to throw both up and down at the same time. So same as what we're doing with two balls. Up. At some point you will drop the ball, but that's okay because you can always pick it up again. Let's try this time with one ball going up and one coming down. So we're going to do what's called split timing. So one up, one down. Okay, now still sticking with two balls, we're going to throw one over to the other side. We're not going to worry about catching so much at this point. We're just getting used to throwing the balls up and over. So I'm going to throw the ball, so it's going to go down on the ground to the other foot. Then I'm going to throw this ball up, down to the ground, to the other foot. So up and down, up and down. This is the pattern that you want to use when you're using two balls. So let's try that again. Up and down, up and down. Let's try some catching. So I'm throwing from my favorite hand to the other hand in the same direction. As this ball is coming towards this hand, I've got to get rid of the ball that's in this hand. So I'm going to throw that to the other hand. You might want to count this as you're doing it. So 1, 2, and again 1, 2. So see, I'm not getting rid of that second ball until I have to. You might want to go and practice this for a while. Now, we're going to try 3 balls. This is the ultimate challenge. So 2 balls in one hand, this is your favorite hand, 1 ball in the other hand. This at the front, that is ball 1. This in the other hand is ball 2. This is ball 3. So we're going 1, 2, 3. As I throw this first ball, I throw the second ball. As the second ball's coming to this hand, I'm throwing ball 3. I know it sounds really complicated, so just watch. 1, 2, 3. This is something you'll probably want to practice a lot. And you might find that you're dropping more than you're catching, but that's fine. It just takes time. So we'll start with 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. Once you get the hang of that, then we're going to go on to the next step, which is juggling 3 balls continuously. Every time you do this, count how many times you catch the ball, and you'll find that maybe you start from 1 or 2 or 3 catches and then drop it, and eventually every time you do it you'll get more catches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1 lot. Keep going. So let's see how long you can throw the balls for before you drop. All right. Once you get the hang of that, and you can do maybe 20 or 30 catches, sounds crazy, but you'll get there, then you can try some extra tricks. So while you're juggling the balls, you can try bouncing off your shoulder, try throwing under your arm, all sorts of stuff you can try throwing, turning around, catching, whatever you want. The sky's the limit. And then once you've done all that, you can try 4 balls, 5 balls, 6 balls. Thanks for joining me. I'm Susie Spindle, and that was your basics on how to juggle balls. If you'd like to find out more juggling tricks or other circus tricks, then come to my classes. I hope I'll see you soon. Bye.